Today we're going to be learning about sign language. In the upcoming clips, we're going to learn how to sign the alphabet and the numbers 1 through 10. So in our upcoming clips now, we're going to learn the alphabet, literally your ABCs. So in each of the segments, we'll break it down into 3 letters. So in this clip, let's learn A, B, and C. Now, the first letter, A. You want to take your hand and form it like this. The letter A, almost like you're making a fist, but your thumb points outwards. A. B. B is like this. Make your hands straight up and the thumb comes in slightly. B. C is just the way you would look at it. C. You want to get that nice crisp arch right in there. C. So let's review once again our ABCs. A. Do you remember the A? A. B. C. A. B. C. Practice that. In our next clip, we will learn, of course, D, E, and F.